Alrighty, welcome back to Al's Attic MTG Arena Fun. Been running with the red deck. We've gotten up to the bronze level 1. With that, I just wanted to do something different. So, Meow Standard. There's a lot of cats in Standard right now. So what I went with was Healer's Hawk, 4 of those. Leonin Vanguard, 4 of those. Savannah Lions, because I mean, it's been awesome forever. Even better in this deck. Johnny's Pride Mate, which is why we got the Healer's Hawk in there. Felidar Cub, sacrifice this creature, destroy target enchantment. Ossification is a great way to deal with creatures and or planeswalkers. I only have 2 there because I've got Valorous Stances, and I just want to see how this runs before I add any more, use up any more, what do you call it, uncommon, wildcards. Leonin Skyhunter, classic, 2/2 flyer, meow, from the sky. A Rabo, the First Fang, is wicked cool. So he's 3 to put into play. It's a 2/2. Other cat you control get +1/+1. Whenever a Rabo or another non-token cat you control enters, create a 1/1 white cat creature token. Yo. A Johnny, Call of the Pride, 1/1 counters on creature or target creature against flying and double strike until end of turn, which hopefully I'll have gotten one of these up real huge and I can just pop that and then boop, double strike damage, win the game. Seal from Existence, Ward 3, which is pretty solid. When Seal from Existence enters, exile target non-land permanent and opponent controls until Seal from Existence leaves the battlefield. That's a much better version of, oh gosh, what's the name of it? I can't remember. 3-cost enchantment that, does those things. Jazal Goldmane, legendary creature, cat warrior. I have just one of those, I think. Yeah, 1. First strike, you pay 5, attacking creatures you control get +X until end of turn, where X is the number of attacking creatures. That'll be a nice, just overrun type of a deal. Hopefully you got enough cats on the field. And then I got the Regal Caracal. Other cats you control get +1/+1 and have lifelink. When this creature enters, create 2 1/1 creature tokens with lifelink cats. So 2 of those. 21 lands. That's pretty much that story. So let's get into a game and see if this thing's any good. Boink. Meow. All right. Hopefully it's good. And then, you might be able to, if it's good, you might be able to add some colors into it to make it a little better. Black, white, or red, white, whatever. So Healer Hawk, Leon, yeah, this is a great start. So we'll drop the Healer Hawk down first. And hopefully we can draw a Pride Mate. Drop him down second. Target indestructible. Oh, that's to save the cat. That's a good point. Yep, that's to keep the creature safe. Cut down? Aw, no cut down. At your head. I think I'll attack with 1. And then they'll cut down. No. Okay, cool. Yeah, I definitely should do the 4 damage. Alright, so Leonin. Meow. Now they can kill something. Yeah, cut down. That seems fine. So my Meow Standard is actually a bird standard, but now we got a kitty cat, so that's cool. Yeah, we're in pretty decent shape if we can keep them from dropping. Removing creatures. Choose the creature vigilance and all creature types listed as land. Getting in, set draw a card if you control a demon. Demons are coming. They're tapped out, so I think what I'm going to do... I'll just drop the cat. And then I'll swing for 4. Add the counter. Feeling like I'd really like a mana. Although I've got a lot of good stuff here. Ossification will be... Yeah, that's great. Alright, lose life. I gain. I lose 2. Okay, that's cool. So I had 2 mana. So we're going to Ossification. Archfiend before oil counter. At the beginning of your upkeep, remove an oil counter from... Yeah, why can't I? Oh! Basic land I control, then the creature. Okay, sorry. It's a little counterproductive to my brain. Cool. Got him down to 7. Then I got a seal. If I can draw a land, I can remove something else out of the way. But I'm also tapped out, so I got 5 lands, and yeah, there's another one. Okay, so I can drop a seal if I can get some mana. Duress. Oh, the seal. Yeah, so they got to get rid of the Valorous Stance, I think, and then the seal I can... Oh, okay. Creature with power 4 or greater. That's good. I don't know if they're gonna... Got him down to 1. Another counter. See what we got. See what we got. Yeah, he's gonna get rid of that. Go for the throat. Okay. Removal again. Yeah, Bloodletter. 2/4. All right, so the 1 would get through. What's enchantment? Yeah. I think we're gonna do that. Yeah. I think I am going to be aggressive. Yep. Sure. And then the 1 gets through. Very good. Thank you, Kitty, for your sacrifice. 3/3 land. Yeah, let's see what happens. But so this is where it gets iffy. You're super close to finishing the game out. Yeah, that's good. Swinging in for 5, maybe? Nowhere to run. Nowhere to hide. Nowhere to go. Yeah, so they're really starting to switch around and get the board dealt with. Yeah. I still haven't drawn a single land. How many turns are we in? 6, 7? It's pretty bad. Maybe 21. 21 still seems like the right number of lands. Yeah, they totally bought the board up. Nope, no blocks. Yeah. Oh, I misread that. Well, there you go. It did pretty well for a bit, and then we just kind of ran out of gas. Mostly because of them getting their hands on my removal. But that's okay. Let's go again. Wild cards can be redeemed in your collection for cards of the same rarity. Which is the bonus is that you can also, which I didn't know this initially when I started playing, but you can even trade them in for things that you don't actually have a copy of yet, which is awesome. Hey, if I can draw a land, this is pretty decent. As long as there's no removal. Which there probably is removal. Why wouldn't there be? Meow. Great thing about this is you can sack it at any time, so it just becomes a creature until... Ooh, pretty. It's even got the Urza on it. That's nice. 2. Cub. One. Fly, fly. If I can draw a land, that's pretty good. And legendary, though, so I got all 3 of them in my hand. Ugh. Uh-oh, here we go. Swinging in with 3. Hopefully they don't have any interaction. I can get these 3 points of damage in. Okay. Did you gift? You didn't gift it? Well. So if I get mana. Oh yeah, if I get mana, we're just gonna... Nah! Crap. Mana would have been perfect right there. No, we're not gonna. Oh dear. Yeah, Badikar. Mentor. Oh boy. Yeah, I gotta get that seal out. I have got to get the seal out. There we go. Yeah. And unfortunately, the seal has got to be the mentor, because the mentor is much worse. Don't tell me Spell Piercer is still in the format. That's pretty good, though. Both those two, super good together. Yeah, he's gonna get his. He's gonna get his dudes. Little 1/1 dudes. Oh dear. Yeah, Monastery Mentor is actually pretty good, and I don't think it's very expensive in paper. And then the Djinn, of course, is not very expensive in paper. I mean, I like what I'm seeing so far, but I hate what I'm seeing so far. Get lost. What? Okay. Next. Ugh, no attacks. Yeah, so I got to get rid of that as well. Destroy target creature or enchantment. Its controller creates 2 maps. But the ward is 3. Oh, because of the Djinn. Yeah. Okay. Not good. Sure, no blocks. Yeah, I've definitely got to get a removal, and I didn't get it. Ugh, there's all my lands I didn't have. Mentor. So I'm going to swing with all 3. They might have another mentor in their hand, but if they do, then that's fine. That's a trade I'll take. All right, cool. So 18. It's 4, 5, 6, 7 so far. Milfar. Yeah, it's really good what they got there. Turn target creature. Yeah. Oh, they're totally just going ham. Yep. Yeah, we're not going to be able to keep up with that. Good game and concede. Ugh. Oh, and 2. Hey. All right, let's try again. I'll try to get 5 games in before the servers quit on me. Waiting for opponent. Boom. Yotomo. Maybe I'll level 7. 1 land. And they're all 2s except for this one. Okay, so I'm going to keep 7, which is not great. Gotta draw a land. Just think it was clumps of land because to explore twice we got 2 lands. It was silly. Here we go. Okay. Drum Coast. There's a land. There's a Sky Hunter. There's a counter. Nope. Okay. Swinging for 3. Okay. Flash. Mill 4. Mill card into your hand. I'll put 1. Okay. What do we got here? Sleight of hand, soul partition. Yeah, sleight of hand is good. Yeah, they're digging for something. I just put some pressure on. I might be able to eke this one out. Ew, maybe not. Draw 2, then discard. Oh, yeah. Trap the course. 1 land. They're going to do sleight of hand for the sorcery, yeah. Yeah. I bet they've got a board wipe, too. And if they do, I humped myself. Likely has a board wipe so they can keep digging for their slow roll win con. Flood Farm Verge. Thinking it through. Sleight of hand, okay, so that's no board wipe, which is good. Flying Vigilance, so they'll have a blocker anyway. That? Yeah. Aberrant Mess Ossification. What is that? Face down card. I'm going to go land. I'm going to go, I don't frickin' think so. I've learned quickly about this. Oh, we picked the land, right? Later, dude. I'll trade my kitty cat for whatever the heck you are. Yeah. Absolutely. I have no idea what it is, but I'm about to find out when it goes in the graveyard. Or it goes to exile. Yeah. So, mill. They're trying to pull something up. They definitely got blockers. What is this? Return target artifact and create. Yeah. So they're able to do that again, and I got to be able to block it. Create 2. I think we just put the pressure on. He's going to block one of the 3s. Yep, he'll block one of the 3s, or she, whoever. They will block one of the 3s. Yep, and I get 2 through with. So now I put some pressure on, and if I can get this to go across, should be able to squeeze this through. But it's going to be their hands full of answers here. Meow. 1/1 have lifelink. Ooh, yeah, lifelink. Hey, that's terrible that that's not a legendary. Cheese and cripes. Yeah, Djinn, all the blockers. All the blockers. Yeah, that's getting out of hand quick. So 5, I can't just leave that thing running, right? It says, at the beginning of each opponent's upkeep, manifest dread. Look at the top 2 cards of your library. Put one on the battlefield face down. Many minutes cost. Yeah. So I'm at 31 right now. So I'm going to no attack. Right? And I'm going to wait and see what they come up with. Because if I can get enough flyers to go through. Actually, I got 3. Yeah, If I can just block. If I can get rid of one of their. If I can just get rid of one of their flyers. Then I can just swing with a bunch of dudes and maybe clean the board up a little bit. I don't see them swinging. Djinn. Yep, there's another one. So I definitely still need... Oh, yeah, they're going all in because... Yeah, their board presence is just disgusting. Yeah, it's very disheartening. I think... No attacks. And we're just going to end the turn. I am not sure how I'm going to get out of this. Yeah, the 5 flyers is gross. Dude, they got... I mean, they got... Could you get a better... they've been digging too, but still. They could start chipping away and still be in comfortable shape. Swing with 1. Got rid of one of the tokens. Okay. Another blocker. Okay. Another blocker. Okay. Yeah, they're all in, dude. I don't have a way to get this through. Except for to draw that other kitty cat. The gold mane. If I can draw gold mane, that gives me that attack with a bunch of creatures and give them all bufferoonies. Yeah, manifest dread, yay. Aye. Yeah, I'm just gonna pass the turn. This is awful. Oh, they've totally got us. 1, 2, 3, 4. They could swing with 3 of those and be okay. Yeah, the only thing I could do. Yep. Yep. Good game. Goodbye. That's just awful too. Wow. This deck's just not... I mean, it's very mono. It's not like super aggro. It's very disappointing that it's not getting somewhere. Now I got 3 land. Yeah, we're probably going to be humped. Okay. At least I didn't get the Healing Hawk at the beginning. That's, you know, that's different. Let's see if we can win a few by accident here. Burn, burn, burn to everything. Burn, burn, burn. Sky Hunter. I think I might... It's a tough one, but I think I have a chance against burn. If I can remove a couple of those little creatures, especially because a lot of it goes into the Swift Spear. Oh, Swift Spear and Mentor. He's thinking now. Hey! That's flippin' rude. Oh, yeah? Well, how about... No, I don't want to put that down yet. Whenever it becomes the target of a spell ability, you control person, put one counter on one of the zap, 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 zap. I'm going to drop this. I'm going to swing with this. They're going to block, probably. Take the damage. He dies. Put the 1 directly into me. Yeah. That is a good point. That's a 1/1. Heartfire Hero. That's something I could steal. I could steal that. Well, whatever they send, we don't block it. Yeah, a straight up shock. That's fine. As I knew, they'd have removal. Yeah. Roar. Yeah. Bloom, bloom, bloom. 8. Gets me down to 9. I got to land. I think this is the right call. Beep. Target online permanent and opponent controls. Yep. Yoink. Swing for 1. I really need a removal. Oi! That's really bad. Yeah, I really needed a removal. Boink. All right, cool. So now I got a couple life gains. No, we're gonna leave it right back. Yeah, and you're gonna have to burn something, pal. Probably the Arabo if they gotta burn. Oi. Okay. Lightning strike directly. That's interesting. Okay, so 2/3, right? Whenever I drop down to deal something down, it's on the other target. Okay, so I've got a block. So I've got to get a removal spell. Good game. Yeah, that's disappointing. That's 4. All right, one more game with this deck, and I mean, awful. La 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 la. It's really not great. I'll keep it anyway. Because I know smart that way. All right. Green, super. I think I'll put the primate down. They might have a way to destroy it. I expect they will. Ooh, the one ring. Yeah, cut down. Boom. Or cut down. Yoink. Whatever. Might as well cut it down. Just cut down. Just do it. Oh, trophy. Oh, gosh, they redid that? I would love to take action. Let's find the rest of the lands I didn't find all day. Oh, that might change things. Target creature gains flying and double strike. Put them on counter to one creature. Nah. Well. I'll attack one creature. Yeah, they're all pretty vanilla, my friend. Yep, that's the biggest of the three. Coming at you 6. Meow. They're going to remove something. They're going to have at least a blocker. Creature gets flying and double strike. So that could be... What is this fella? As long as you control a desert, trample, exile. Okay, so we're going to drop a land. Drop this feller. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I think I got it. Target creature. Glunk. Right? Let's just swing with everything. Yeah. Didn't have free. Okay, good. I was like, wait, did I screw that up? Yay! OMG. That was something. Holy smokes! That's the thing about down this low. Gosh. You were able to take that 1 win and 4 losses and turn it into an improvement. That's just crazy. Well, all right. That's been a lot of fun. That'll be the end for today. Thank everybody for visiting. Comments, thoughts, any way we can make this deck a little better. I love it and appreciate the ideas. May make some changes to this and run it again. I really think I might end up doing something with the Monastery and Monastery Swiftspear and the Monastery Mentor. Maybe. I don't know. I had to build something because I don't think this is going to get very far once you start playing with all these other ones with the multiple colors. So, all right. Well, hope everybody's having a great day, good time, enjoy the game, enjoy the life, and just try to have fun where you can. We'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.